Let me ask you a question. Did you know 46% of all Google searches are for local businesses? And in 2025, local search isn't just important, it's where the entire fight for customers is happening. If you're not showing up on maps or near me results or with strong reviews, your business is losing opportunities every single day. And on top of that, AI has changed SEO forever. And national results are being ate up by AI overviews, and things are only set to get harder. But here's the thing. For local businesses, AI is actually the biggest opportunity I've personally ever seen. My name's Adam Collins. I founded one of the leading SEO agencies in the UK, and I've worked with hundreds, if not thousands, of SEO clients over the last 13 years. I've been lucky enough to share stages like Brighton SEO and be featured on industry podcasts like Majestic SEO and I Hate SEO. But what I'm most proud of are our client wins, like the 454 leads we generated this local company across the last 12 months. And that's why I built this workshop, to give you the same playbook that's working right now that helps your business grow without the fluff. So how actually do you win in this new landscape? Well, I've broken it down into 3 simple levers. And if you focus on these, you can go from invisible to chosen extremely fast. And inside this workshop, I will show you exactly what these levers are. But here's the thing, not everyone can win these local spots. And that's why I'm keeping this workshop small and capped. So how'd you get in? Register your interest and complete the local visibility assessment. It's 15 quick questions and it will take under 3 minutes.